I'm not doing it, Tyler. Don't, Skyler, don't do it.
Whoa.
It takes the voltage and it spins it around. And look at how tight it is. It's a tight fit. On when you guys set up transmissions, we always talk about belt fitment, but you can see it coming up. I need the exercise anyways for my little tiny weak arms.
In Oregon. We have it listed under your name. Are you still the owner?
I am currently. It's actually my OnlyFans hub. Yeah, you guys have to do like a blacklight inspection because of the fluids on the walls, but other than that, it's pretty clean.
So it is occupied, correct?
Yeah, by 14 women and 3 goats. I have that 38 that's on the...
From the twin? Ooh, it's a thick boy. How many millimeters? 38?
38, yeah.
Like
God,
it's like 2 inches
shit.
forth.
So now, that looks good.
Oh, yeah.
Skyler, don't do it.
Whoa, you just almost pulled the whole bike off there, bud.
All right.
You're like, don't do it, not touch me.
Wait, what do you got in your hand there, pal? What's going on? That looks custom.
The best?
Wait,
No.
wait, show them the wire. Look at this.
Yeah,
So, check out this green wire.
But no green wire on the other side. This is up here. This is the orgy of connectors up here. Look at this.
Straight.
It's like, look at this.
Somebody got in the zone.
Dude, look at this. This is like the loop. Like what is happening here? Did you actually look at this?
I tried and it made my brain
Do you
hurt.
see this?
There's two
This actually,
wires.
the reason for this is actually takes the voltage and it spins it around. This is actually called the voltage loop. That I am being an electrician. It creates a reverse reverberation, which actually speeds up the voltage coming out. It's like a spin cycle for electricity.
I can see what they did here. This is
Yeah.
one wire. I don't understand the point of. Oh, well, there's this wire that they're trying to get power to, and then there's this wire they're trying to get power to.
Like, so look at this. You've got, I mean, just everywhere you
and
look.
it's not like they don't know how to butt connect things.
No,
you know?
this is the best. Is when they're just taping, but the
Taped
whole,
together.
pretty much the whole way down, everything. This is nice here, but pretty much the whole way down. I mean, it's. Yeah, I don't even know what.
Looks like it's missing a few things.
Yeah, so this is pretty.
But it ran.
Did.
Yeah.
The fuel line's like plastic.
You look so defeated.
Look at this. Look at this fuel line. Get down here.
No, this is the one.
Look at this. Look at. It's like plastic, and that one down there.
Listen.
Listen to it. Listen to that. And look at how tight it is. It's a tight fit.
That's great.
Yeah.
It's pretty custom.
It's
I
not
thought
great.
it was a
This
real
is nice.
thing at first. I was like, somebody just do
This is
hard lines.
nice too. They just don't go. Oh, they go up here.
Oh, they go into those black wires.
This hurts my brain. It really hurts my brain. Okay, well,
It's custom.
all right. Let's get cleaned up and get ready to put the other motor in.
Dang.
We'll deal with this later.
This
I think-
is
Tool.
hmm.
Hella tools.
Remember that toolbox post we made? Oh, we know which one Skyler is.
Just Skyler.
Sometimes. What's poppin'?
Oh man. Okay, so one little obstacle we have here. Okay, so this bike had a radial style caliper like this, mounted like so, something like that. And they had to drill holes through the engine case here, like that. Well, obviously we're not gonna do that on the 8.1 because you can't, and I wouldn't anyways. So this is your factory mounting location for the brake caliper. So we have to we took his hub and rotor, put it on here. That's the factory application for the brake caliper. On the 8.1, you'll see the main difference. Oh, look at that ignition, isn't that sweet? Woo! On this one, you'll see that the transmission is totally different, or I should say the gearbox is different. The cover comes off from this side, so you couldn't drill this anywhere if you wanted. This is only meant for air-cooled cases because it has that like flat wing area or whatever for your rotor, or your caliper, I should say.
Yeah, it even has like that little, it's like, how are you gonna do that?
Yeah, it would never work. So this is going on here. And Skyler, you didn't hear me call him Skyler, he is going to pull the caliper off of my bike. He's gonna pull the caliper off of this one and mock it up on that motor. That way we can have brakes. So little things you don't really realize until you get it all apart and start working on it. So, oh yeah, but what I was gonna say on when you guys set up transmissions, we always talk about belt fitment. I can tell right now, I just take the belt and kind of work it around, and eventually, so we'll show you guys like this. So say you put on your transmission, right? You put your belt on, it's like that. You can just work this guy like this. See how that belt's coming up? Takes a while, but you can see it coming up and going higher and higher and higher. As the belt starts to get stiff, I can already tell without starting this bike that it needs more shims up front. So in theory, it's going to make this come out more and cause this pulley to close up, taking the belt up higher. So this right here is probably a loss of maybe 15% power from a dead stop because you're already shifted essentially. So something you can do when you're putting a motor together, you can just turn this and rotate it. See how it's gripping the pulley tight? That tells you that this area up here is really tight against that belt, and it's not going to go down anymore without going a little bit wider. So just a small thing to save you a little bit of time when you're putting the motor together.
This is the ignition, right, Brandon?
Like this, right?
Yeah. Yep. Conversion.
Ooh.
Scratch anything.
Yeah.
Should we do the shock first? No.
Looking for tracking? Yeah, John sent him clutch springs instead of a contract. Yeah, I would. Oh, you know what? It's because. Yeah, let's move that forward one. Over that,
Here.
right?
Let me grab a rag so you can set that down.
I can't really. It's not a big deal. Just grab an Allen to move that forward. I need the exercise anyways for my little tiny weak arms. 3 is my favorite number. What's your favorite number, Skyler?
6.
6?
Why?
6?
Why?
What do you think?
Just 3 of them?
Why? Because maybe it was
It's really close to 69.
Maybe it's because it was when you were 6 when you
If we
realized
moved it forward, it would drop
you could
down
be
the motor.
yourself. Maybe.
Maybe. I feel like that spot's kind of gonna be the best.
Yeah, sure. Shoot there. I think this mount may stretch it a little bit. Who's calling me? Scammer? Ooh, spammers. Hello?
Hello, I'm looking for Brandon Sailor.
Oh, this is she?
Yeah, this is Sophia, and this call is about your property on Glen, Oregon.
Yeah,
We have it listed under your name. Are you still the owner?
I am currently.
Yeah, I just wanted to see if you ever consider selling in the future for the right
It's
price.
actually my OnlyFans hub, and so we may be interested. Do you guys want to make an offer?
Yeah, actually, Brandon, we are interested in your property. And by the way, my manager...
Okay, the
wants
carpets
to
need to be
start
torn out. They're really wet. You'd have to
yeah,
take all the
I can
carpets
hear
out.
you.
There's like spray all over the walls and the ceilings and everything, so you'd have to clean it really good.
Yeah, I
But
see
yes,
that you
I'd
have
probably be
available
interested. Do
property.
you want to buy it from me? I'd probably take like
Yeah,
250 rupees.
200. 250
Rupees,
Okay, I'll
yeah.
take note of that. So, yeah, before that, I'll just make a quick verification of your property so we can come up with your offer, and then we're good to go, okay?
Okay.
So, Brandon, this is a single-family residential with 2 beds and 1 bath. Is it still accurate?
It's a 2-bed, 1-bath, but there's like 14 beds in there right now. Water beds.
Sorry?
There's like, it's a 2-bed, 1-bath, but there's 14 water beds in there right now for the OnlyFans.
I see.
Yeah.
So, but
Do you need a
have
job?
2 bed-
Do you want to come work for me on the cameras?
Oh, by the way, Brandon, it has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Bathroom? Is it still accurate?
It's accurate.
Okay, so how's the condition of your property?
Like I said,
Is
it's
it
really
clean
good,
or-
but there's a lot of like, we've got chains and like cages and stuff in there, so you have to take that stuff out. But like, it's structurally strong. What? Yeah, you guys have to do like a black light inspection because of the fluids on the walls. But other than that, it's pretty clean. You could just sell it pretty easy. So I take 250
okay.
or 220 like right
Yeah.
now. Do you have a card?
250 or
Do you guys have a
or
credit card?
220?
220 rupees.
Okay, I'll take note of that. So, by the way, are you still occupying the property or it is being rented out?
Yeah, I mean we use it for like orgies and stuff. And but it's so it is occupied, kind of rented, but either way, yeah.
And so it is occupied, correct?
Yeah, by 14 women and 3 goats. There's 3 goats.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, 14 women and 3 goats live there, and a snake
Goats?
named Panther. Goats, you know, like bah. Yeah.
I see.
Mhm.
By the way, Brandon, what may be the possible reason of selling? Is it for downsizing?
No, I need more room. I need more room because I have a shipment. I have 3 goats and 2 potbelly pigs coming. So. Yes.
So what may be the possible reason of selling?
More room for the goats and the pigs and the women. The professional women.
So
Yeah.
how soon you were looking to sell your property?
Like right now, I would. If you guys have like a credit card, I could take it over the phone.
Okay, I'll take note of that. By the way, thank you for taking this call, and Brandon.
I love you.
Have a great day.
Let's make out.
Love
Let's
you
make
long
out.
time.
I love you.
Man,
she
you
was
could,
like,
you
by
could not.
the way.
You could not phase her. She was good.
I was like,
Brandon,
bah.
by the way. So, by the way. Dude, this totally is going to stretch it, by the way. By the way.
The motor's not any longer, but I think the mount.
The
is
mounts
longer
look
in the
like
back.
it's
That's-
like
the motor looks
2
good
inches
shit.
forward.
So I would.
Shiny.
Okay, so now that does look good. So now that looks good. Did I say? Would you look at that?
No,
Would you look
Uh,
at
Would
that?
you just look at it?
I think this needs an Allen. Just
Yeah.
To look better, but.
Little auntie.
Hey, you're not supposed to be here, bud. You need to get out of here.
Just one ant.
Maybe he's from Europe.
He's from Brandon's house.
He's like from Europe. He's been in this bike since it was
No, he's from
produced.
the UK, dog. He came in on the shipment
Dang.
with this thing.
What should we call him? What's his name?
Fred.
Hi, Fred. Where are you going, bud? Maybe you should give him some Red Bull, bud.
Oh my god, I don't want to.
Just like a drop, like a drip. Oh, no.
He ain't about it.
You ain't about that Red Bull life?
We go over to him, he starts just running faster.
He's like,
Pops. I mean, I guess you could probably switch it. I imagine it still might work the
It
same.
looks the exact
is
same.
it a Brembo?
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah, it should.
You just switch it.
No, it's a Grimeca. It looks.
Grimeca?
It does it. I don't think it matters.
No, it wouldn't matter.
No. I mean, it's no different than So good. No brake line. So run on the top. It'd be a good time to just bleed it now, actually, before the wheel and it's on, so you're not getting everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
The pump can be hooked up.
Carb?
The carb can go on. Yep. I'll go grab the carb.
What carb?
I have that 38 that's on the.
From the twin?
No. Oh, I do. I have those twin carbs. Actually, that's a 30. That's an Air Striker. I don't even know. I got bins of carbs everywhere.
Ooh, it's a thick boy.
Look at that thing.
How many millimeters? 38?
38. Yeah. Boost. Perfect for this. So.
You know, we used to have
wanna
a
do
filter
throttle
for
cable,
that.
too. What?
We used to have a filter for that.
What was it?
That Polini one.
We gave it to Trevor, didn't we?
Yep.
Yeah.